Hey you guys, welcome back to SBEaesthetics. I am your licensed esthetician, professional makeup artist, and on this channel I show you guys beauty videos, lifestyle videos, entrepreneurship videos, and all about being an esthetician. So welcome, and let's get started.
If you're new here, hit the subscribe button at the bottom. Hit that right now. Click that.
What he said. Okay, so as you guys can see, today's topic is going to be about, I have my notes here, why do I fill my eyebrows in so dark? So I kind of get these questions asked by some of my clients, like when they do their brows, it's too dark, or it don't look real, or they want like a natural look. So something like what I have right now, this would be considered like a natural ombre type of eyebrow look. This could also be considered something too much for some folks. It just depends on what you like. But to me, the type of eyebrows I have, I would consider these like a ombre type of eyebrow look, like our eyebrows naturally should look, you guys. So I'm just going to zoom in just so you guys can see. You see how it start off light and then dark? That's how a brow should look. So it shouldn't be so dark, like you're taking the pencil and you're just really filling it in like you're coloring. It shouldn't be like that. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, this person back here that you guys see, say hello. That is DJ REGEC. What is your
DJ REGEC from them Fleet DJs representing. You subscribe to my channel too. Hit that subscribe button and the notification. Bing, bing.
Yeah, so that's who he is. Yeah. And so he's going to be piggybacking off of each other about these dark brows. You know, why are some people filling in these brows so heavily? And so I'm going to give one reason, and then he's going to give one reason. Hopefully he can come up with a reason. I mean, he's a guy, right? They always got something to say about brows, so I'm curious what he has to say. So my reason, number one reason is you could potentially be filling them in too dark. Your hand is too heavy, and you have to loosen up your hand. You have to go natural with it. Follow the strokes of your natural lining of your brow. So if it starts right here, start right there. I don't really recommend starting exactly where it's at. I'll come in a little bit and start like right there. It just helps guide you with your brow. So tip number one, do not be so heavy on the hand, you guys. Light strokes will give you an eyebrow that look as such. What about you, Reg?
What am I saying? Am I saying for why do people...
Why do you think brows, why do you think people are filling in their brows too dark?
Well, you know, if you're a dark complected person, you may think that you may need darker eyebrows. Just so if a light-skinned person, they might, you know, be a little lighter. But some people probably do it because they don't think, you know, just because of the complexion of their skin, they may think that their eyebrows are not being seen.
Oh, that's a good one. I didn't think about that.
That's the reason why they would do darker eyebrows, because, you know, people want to show their eyebrows off.
That's a good one. And I'm glad that he brought that up, because the darker you are, you do not have to use like a black. And that's a good, like some people think the more darker they are, they have to use like a black liner, and that's not true. I'm darker complexion. I use dark brown on literally everybody. Most of my clients, even my fair skin Caucasian clients, I use a dark brown on them. So, but that's a good one. Sometimes a person could be making their brows too dark because maybe they feel like, okay, I'm darker complected, so I need mine to stand out and pop, so I'm going to go ahead and darken it up. And you do not have to do that. You can still get a look like this using a dark brown, or even if you wanted to do like a burgundy red or some type of color, you could do that too, no matter what your complexion is. It's just about what you use and how you do it. So that's a good one. I actually like that one. And then too, even if you're not too, but to add to it, like if you're light-skinned, I know, like I'll tell my clients, like if you're lighter skin, you don't want to go too heavy either, because it could be too too dramatic, you know. So again, you can still get away with that brown, that dark brown look. It just, your strokes, you guys. Pay attention to your strokes. And light strokes, light strokes. You're gonna see the brow. Light strokes is gonna get you the best results, okay? Lighter in the inner, and as you work your way out, it gets darker. Okay, so that was tip 2. Tip 3, okay? Tip 3, you guys. Make sure you guys get like a defined, this is a pen, but I'm just showing you for an example. Make sure you guys get a defined pencil. I think it's important on what type of pencil you use to do your brows. Now me, I can use various pencils because I do makeup and I know how to work with them. But if you are a beginner and you're starting out and you want something that's going to kind of easily guide you into doing your brow and perfecting it the way you need it to perfect it, I would recommend like one of those mechanical eyeliner pencils, the ones that's the ultra thin that you can scoot up and you can work with it. Those are more precise to me, and I feel like they're really beginner friendly and they really guide the brow as such. So and I think that helps with your strokes and how heavy you are as well, because you're not putting so much pressure. And like I said, the pencil is so tiny. I mean, you're gonna really have to like go hard to get that color on there. So it kind of helps you with how much color you put on and your strokes, and it works as a guide. So that's tip number 3. Use a good eyebrow pencil, preferably a mechanical ultra thin size one. Just don't do it, y'all.
Don't do it.
We done saw pencils, just marker looking ones. Yeah.
Sometimes it makes you look too excited when you have
Do mine
dark
look like that?
eyebrows. Some of your looks, though, you know,
I think those are just how my brows are. Some people be like, I want the arch. I want the arch. And I'm like, yeah.
Just, I guess it depends on the shape of your face, of whether you could have an arch eyebrow or a round shape eyebrow. I mean,
Well,
the arch eyebrows, now some of y'all doing the arch eyebrow wrong. I'm gonna tell you, when you come out and you be going out, you be all fresh and fly, but it looks like you're just too excited, and guys be like,
like, hold up.
I don't know what you was doing before you came here. You look a little bit too excited, so they pass you up.
He's talking about the McDonald eyebrows. You know how the ones go like that. Some people like their brows like that. Some people, as long as they're not too dark. I mean, cause
too dark and too high.
Some people don't have an arch. So if you are a person who take notes. If you are a person who does not have an arch, you can create an arch using eyebrow pencil. It just take a little bit of time, but you absolutely can.
And arches do look good now. I'm not going to say that they don't, because some of the arches that people have, when they're not too high, they really, really look good.
Like
but
these.
Yeah.
These actually look good today.
Them like way up. If it goes up here and then it kind of goes down like here, it needs to stay within the eye level. Like right in this area. And then have the arch to go.
Yeah. He sure knows a lot about brows, huh? Yeah. So what was that tip?
That's tip number, what's that?
4? And tip number 5, you guys. Just practice. Practice makes you better. It doesn't make you perfect, but it dang sure will make you better. Just practice on yourself, practice on a friend, a cousin, auntie. Just get some hand-on experience, you guys. I would recommend don't ever use black. I've used black now. If you are going for a look for a certain occasion, then black it is. Like I did a skull makeup look on somebody and I used black because, you know, it's Halloween and I was going for that type of look. But your everyday look, you don't have to use black. Most people, 90% of people could get away with the dark brown. It looks good on almost every complexion, you guys. So those are my tips for you today, my 5 tips, and for why some people apply their eye pencil on their eyebrows too dark, and then some things to take away so that you can learn not to get those dark eyebrows, you guys. Okay, so hopefully you like this video. Please be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, give this video a huge thumbs up, and yeah, follow me on all social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and yeah. And you want to say something?
Follow me. Go to the beach show. Hit that notification button and subscribe.
Y'all heard it.
Boy, DJ REGEC. Complete DJs. Hey.
Bye.